Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Experience unparalleled luxury at Kenjoy Villa, a breathtaking Ridgewood Estate property just minutes from Ocho Rios. The land size is approximately 1.17 acres. This masterpiece of opulence seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces, offering panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea, mountains, and the town. Meticulously crafted for elegance and comfort, the villa welcomes you with spacious living areas adorned with high-end finishes. The outdoor area features a generously sized pool and lounge area, perfect for entertaining or unwinding amidst a lush tropical garden and natural surroundings. The property includes a modern kitchen and an open-plan living area featuring hand-cut Jamaican marble floors that opens to an expansive balcony with stunning ocean views, with 5 abundantly sized bedrooms and an additional kitchen in the lower section of the property. Every detail exudes luxury. Whether seeking a serene retreat or a lavish getaway, this magnificent home offers the epitome of luxury living in one of Jamaica's most sought after locations. Make contact today for a private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 850,000 or Jamaican $130.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.